This is how you cut and trim your videos in ShotCut. So once you've opened up ShotCut, select your media. In your media preview window, you can trim the videos here by just dragging on the ends. But I find the best way to edit your videos is to drag it and drop it on the timeline. Zoom in on your short video. Now you can select where it is and you can see the audio waveform. So say I want to start the video from here, I could just press I and that will cut off that video there. This is where I want it to start. And say I want it to end here, press O and it'll cut off the end there. Let's say I want to split the video in the middle, press S again, add a separate clip which can be moved or deleted. Just pressing the delete key. Just make sure you select what you want to delete. Control Z if you delete something by accident. If you select the magnet, it makes it easy to snap the video to where you want it, to each clip. Spacebar will play and pause. Arrow keys left and right will move you frame by frame. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave some feedback. Cheers.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless.